The lesson here is as follows. GPs cannot control what equations LPs use to understand investment manager skill, and they cannot control how LPs interpret their models. But GPs usually can control what numbers go into those models. It is in their best interest to avoid making the following 5 mistakes. All of them tend to shift value out of EBITDA growth, a value driver more frequently associated with investment manager skill, and shift value into multiple expansion, a value driver more frequently associated with broader market forces or luck. The magnitude of these shifts can be quite substantial. In our example, the biggest moves came from overstating entry performance and understating exit performance. This overstated multiple expansion by 29% and understated EBITDA growth by 29%. Together, that is a 58% swing in relative value creation. The capital structure mistakes were not as impactful, but they are still material. In our example, they combined to overstate multiple expansion by 9% and understate EBITDA growth by 9%. Together, that is an 18% swing in relative value creation.